there was a city where no one slept. At the day, parents went to work. Mothers cooked food and the children went to the schools. But at night, when it was time to sleep, although everyone went to their beds, but they never could sleep. No matter how they tried to sleep, it was not possible for these people to sleep even for a minute. So they used to tell each other stories at night. But after a while, they felt tired of talking. They lay down, but they still could not sleep. After many months of sleepless nights, they thought of taking help. The elders of the city went to see Mr. Knight. He was the oldest man in the city, and he was the only person who could sleep. One of them said to him, "Mr. Knight, please help us. We all want to sleep, but it is impossible for us." Mr. Knight was a generous man. He promised the men to find the solution soon. That evening, he went to the nearby stream. When he saw a glowworm, he called out the worm, "You had given me pollen from your wings when I was young, and I have been sleeping soundly since then. Can you give me more pollen so that I could help the other people of the city?" The glowworm was a helping bug. He immediately lifted up his wings and brushed off some pollen on a leaf. Mr. Knight quickly collected them and gave them to the men of the city. He said, "Rub this pollen on everyone's eyes." They did as Mr. Knight had told them. And the day onwards, everyone in the city was able to have a good night's sleep. All of them thanked Mr. Knight and